Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to explore the crucial role of temperature sensors in predictive maintenance across various industries. You'll learn about the impact of temperature fluctuations on equipment performance and how a range of tools from basic thermometers to infrared imaging can help detect potential issues. We'll dive into some common use cases where temperature sensors are game changers, from refrigerators and cold storage to boilers, HVAC systems, and even in the IT world. So let's get started. Did you know that temperature sensors play a crucial role in predictive maintenance across various industries like automotive, petrochemical, and aerospace? That's right. Equipment doesn't perform well when temperatures swing too high or too low. So, tools like infrared imaging, thermocouples, or even a simple thermometer can be super handy for detecting issues. Let's dive into some common use cases where temperature sensors can be a game changer. First up, let's talk about refrigerators. If the temperature dips below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, it can cause the product to freeze up. So, if you notice below freezing temperatures in a commercial refrigerator, it's a clear sign that there's a problem within the system. Next, consider cold storage. Many products need to be kept at very consistent temperatures. If those temperatures shift unexpectedly, it's a red flag that something's wrong. Take a freezer, for example. Its whole function relies on maintaining a consistent temperature, so a sensor would be used to detect if the internal temperature deviates from normal. Now, let's move on to boilers. Did you know that thermal imaging can warn of leaks where insulation might be wearing out? It's true. And what about bearings? High friction causes heat, so temperature sensors can be used to detect if there's too much friction in bearing systems. In HVAC systems, infrared imaging can be used to find areas where warm or cool air may be leaking from a building. In the electrical realm, poor electrical connections generate heat. If there's too much heat, it means there's a potential hazard. In the world of IT, components such as servers and computers can be damaged if they overheat. High readings on a temperature sensor might indicate a faulty fan or poor electrical component. Lastly, let's talk about solar energy. Solar cells that aren't functioning properly will often stand out on thermal imaging. However, it's important to note that while temperature isn't core to the function of a bearing system, if things get too hot, it can indicate something else is going wrong. In this case, the sensor is used to pick up a sign, like increased temperature, that the system is unbalanced, poorly lubricated. In any of these cases, you can use the sensor in predictive maintenance by setting specific temperature ranges in your CMMS program. If the sensor reports temperatures too high or too low, you'll get a notification letting you know that maintenance needs to be done. So, as you can see, temperature sensors are a crucial tool in predictive maintenance across a wide range of industries and use cases. And that wraps up our discussion on the role of temperature sensors in predictive maintenance. We've covered how these sensors can be used in various industries, from refrigeration to IT, and how they can help you detect potential issues before they become serious problems. Thanks for watching. If you found this content useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, please visit upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.